Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Poe AI, use multiple AI models in one place step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in the URL for Poe AI. Press the Enter key to navigate to the Poe AI homepage. Once the page loads, look for the Login button. Click on the Login button to proceed. You will be directed to the login screen. Here, enter your registered email address in the provided field. Next, input your password in the designated password box. If you have forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link for recovery options. After entering your credentials, click on the Sign In button. Once logged in, you will see the main dashboard. Explore the available AI models listed on the dashboard. To select a model, click on the desired AI model icon. After selecting, a new interactive window will open for that model. You can now start asking questions or entering prompts as needed. Switch between AI models by returning to the dashboard and selecting a different one. For further customization, check for settings related to each model. Enjoy utilizing multiple AI models seamlessly in one place. If you need assistance, look for the Help or FAQ section on the website. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.